Welcome to What's Cooking. Today we will be making chicken steaks. You will need 1 kg of chicken steaks, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon of crushed chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of mint sauce, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Place the chicken into the bowl and add all the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients together, coating the chicken well. If you have time, you can marinate the chicken and leave it in the fridge overnight. Otherwise, leave it marinated for 2 hours before you start cooking. Put some foil on a tray and add the piece of chicken, spreading it across the tray. Preheat the oven on 180 degrees. Place all the chicken pieces evenly. Cover the chicken with the foil and then place in the oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour your chicken steaks will be ready.